Greetings. This is Shepherd Junior Mapena, and this is a mini demonstration for a mini project we're currently doing at school for electronics design module. So in this demonstration, I'm just going to basically outline my project, environmental monitor using Particle Photon. Basically, this project entails using Particle Photon, which is a mini-based microcontroller with Wi-Fi capabilities. In the environmental monitor, I've basically interfaced a number of sensors to get readings from the environment. As you can see from my prototype, the sensors include a PIR sensor, DHT11, a photo cell. The DHT11 basically is used to get readings for the temperature and the humidity, while a PIR sensor is used for motion detection, and the photo cell is used for detecting light levels. So basically, with the motion sensor, it was integrated in such a way that whenever motion is detected, the LED goes on. As you can see from this demonstration here, if I move my hand across the motion sensor, light is detected, or if any movement prior to that happens, motion is detected. And whenever there is no motion detected, the LED remains off. The temperature and humidity sensor measure the temperature and the humidity in degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit. The photo cell is to measure the light sensitivity in a certain environment. So at a particular time, whatever light levels are shown onto the photo sensor, those values will be displayed. Particle Photon uses internet-based web IDE, which is used to write your code. It also gives you the events that happen whenever certain readings are obtained from the sensors, as it shall be displayed from the video, which will be taken using the in-screen recorder, so that each and everything is clear. The demonstration will continue from there. This is a continuation. So from here, this is the code that was written using Particle Photon, and this is the Particle Photon web-based IDE. This is just a preview of code, and on the Particle Photon console we get the logs of each and every event that are happening. So whenever motion is detected, Particle Photon publishes motion detected, and after a few seconds it will publish Particle Photon off. This is also here showing the values obtained from the temperature sensor and the humidity sensor. The first outlines the humidity, the temperature in degrees Celsius, the third in degrees Fahrenheit, and these are the light levels. Particle Photon also enables a user to integrate third-party IoT services as to get a better graphical visualization of the results obtained. So for that, I used ThinkSpeak. ThinkSpeak is an IoT analytic-based platform created by MATLAB that retrieves data in real time from the particle IDE and displays them graphically. As it can be seen here, the humidity graph is shown, the temperature graph in degrees Celsius is shown, the temperature graph in Fahrenheit is shown, and the light levels are shown. ThinkSpeak also enables a user to export the data obtained into an Excel Word file that can be used for later purposes. So the channel feed of all the data entries that have been captured by ThinkSpeak can be retrieved into an Excel file, and the data can be used for future reference and be manipulated in any way a person would deem so. Basically, for this mini project, the sensors chosen were due to availability and cost, but in future improvements can be made as to include water flow sensors, magnetic door locks, etc. The challenges faced in designing this project were due to the temperature sensor, as temperature values were fluctuating from ranges of 50 going to 200. A thorough troubleshooting was done just to determine what the problem might have been, but according to sources and forums on the internet, this may have due to the instability of the library used for the DHT, as libraries available are currently outdated and hence they cause fluctuations. Yeah, basically that is a project for the environmental monitor. Thank you.